But is that really the full story? You've probably seen it. A loud voice online saying, "Online gaming is toxic. It ruins your brain. It's 100% bad." Or is it just another example of someone pushing a one-sided opinion, ignoring the science and presenting personal bias as absolute truth? In this video, we're breaking down what real peer-reviewed research says about gaming, the good, the bad, and the truth in between. We'll look at brain science, psychology, addiction risks, and how you can spot misleading claims from so-called influencers. If you're a gamer, a parent, or just someone trying to make sense of the noise, this is for you. Let's start with what science says about the benefits of gaming. A major meta-analysis of 63 studies found that gaming has a moderate, significant impact on cognitive function, especially attention perception and decision-making. Brain imaging studies show gamers often have improved neural activity in areas related to memory and focus. And it doesn't stop there. Sandbox and role-playing games have been linked to increased creativity, problem-solving, and even leadership skills in team-based games. Some studies even suggest that gamers perform better in tasks like multitasking and spatial reasoning. So no, gaming doesn't rot your brain. Under the right conditions, it can sharpen it. Brain scan visuals with before and after gaming effectively illustrate the cognitive benefits discussed. But we need to be honest, gaming does have risks, especially when it crosses the line into addiction. According to a 2023 meta-analysis, about 5% of gamers may show signs of gaming disorder, excessive play that interferes with schoolwork or mental health. Symptoms include poor sleep, lower academic performance, depression, anxiety, and social withdrawal. During the pandemic, studies found that isolation and stress increased disordered gaming in teens. It became an unhealthy coping mechanism for many. But here's the key. Most negative effects occur not from gaming itself, but from how it's used and why. What makes gaming a positive experience for one person while being harmful for another? Science reveals 3 key factors that influence this outcome. The first factor is the type of games being played. Strategy, role-playing, and puzzle games tend to offer more cognitive and creative benefits. In contrast, endless shooters or pay-to-win mobile games may not provide the same advantages. The second factor is individual psychology, which plays a significant role in gaming outcomes. Individuals who feel lonely, anxious, or bored are often more susceptible to compulsive play. In this context, gaming can transform from a source of fun into a numbing tool. The third factor is the importance of time and balance in gaming habits. Most risks associated with gaming increase when playtime exceeds 3 hours daily. This is especially true if gaming begins to replace essential activities like sleep, social interactions, or physical exercise. Identifying a dogmatic influencer requires keen observation of their communication style and claims. These individuals often push extreme opinions, making sweeping statements like, "Gaming is poison," without any supporting evidence. Dogmatic influencers tend to ignore nuance and context, insisting that their perspective is the only valid one. They often generalize, asserting that all games are bad, disregarding the multitude of experiences and benefits gaming can offer. Emotion-driven rhetoric replaces scientific reasoning in their arguments, leading to more passion than logic. This isn't education. It's agenda-driven content crafted to provoke rather than inform. To combat this influence, it's essential to be smarter than the algorithm and critically evaluate the information presented. So here's the truth. Online gaming is not inherently bad. It's not inherently good either. It's a tool. And like any tool, how you use it determines the outcome. It can be a creative outlet, a social connector, a stress reliever, or a mental trap. The difference lies in your habits, your mental health, your awareness. So next time someone says, "Gaming is ruining society," ask them, according to who? Show me the science. Because real understanding doesn't come from noise. It comes from evidence. Stay balanced, stay curious, and don't let extreme voices drown out the truth. Gaming isn't the problem. Dogmatic thinking is.